Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Beretta here from millerberetta.com, and welcome to my Done For You Suite review. In a nutshell, Done For You Suite review is a web-based platform where you will let your website and your YouTube videos rank number one in YouTube and on Google. And and the way they do it is that they will syndicate your videos or your website or your web posts to other social sites and other websites, so that will like create you a natural backlink. So that will definitely help you if you are doing launch jacking, if you're doing content marketing, and other sides of business where you need organic traffic. So in order to get really good organic traffic, you have to be number one on or you need to be on the first page of Google and the first page on YouTube, right? So this is the Done For You software. So this is the dashboard where you will create all your campaigns. So before we go that, if you decide to pick up the link, if you decide to pick up the product through my link, I'll be throwing away useful bonuses for you guys. So let's see here. Bonus number one is how to blast your website to number one in Google. So this is a supplement training that will help you, get more rankings and get more organic traffic to your website. Number two is we will be throwing away. You'll be having access to the VidChomper suite that was launched a few days ago by Brendan Mays and Jono Armstrong, where you will create videos and so if you're the type of person that doesn't want to have your face in front of a camera, this software is for you, and you will have access to the pro version where you can have more videos. Then you can upload that on YouTube. Then you use Done For You Suite to syndicate to give that very high rankings, right? Bonus number three is how to make a professional review video. So if you decide to make a review video like this one, then this is a good training for you. Then another training is by Jonas Armstrong, CPA hack. So meaning if you decide to promote CPA offers, so that's cost per action, then Done For You Suite can help you get more organic traffic by your website, your web posts, or your YouTube videos. And also all the bonuses the vendors will have to give you. So make sure you check that out. And then this bonus will expire in 6 hours. So I don't want you to miss the bonuses here, right? So for right now, the front end sale for the Done For You Suite is $47, and it will increase to 67 on after the midnight on the 30th, right? So right now it's August 30, so make sure to pick this up before midnight, or else the price will increase, and then it will increase to $67, right? After that, you will have an upsell to lock in credits on a monthly basis, because when you get in, you will have credits, so you can upload your URLs to the suite. But then it will run out, so you need to lock in your credits so that you will have more videos that you can rank, and then websites. Upsell number two is the Done For You Indexer platform. Here you will have supercharge your campaigns by unlocking Done For You Indexer system, that your campaign get put through a proprietary link indexer. There's a lot, but then it gives more punch, right? It gives more power to the to your link, right, or to your videos, or to your URL. Upsell number three, right? This is a very good product. I actually have this one, my video spy. So it's actually, it's like actually you have to pay really high for this one. For like if you have a TubeBuddy or the vidIQ, you have to get the very high subscription for them. But then for this one, you will have a chance to buy this for a very one-time price. You don't have to do a monthly. This is very, very important if you need to, if you are doing YouTube marketing, or if you want to grow your YouTube channel, and we have competitors where you will need to rank more, or you need to create content that has the same as them, but then your videos should be ranking more, right? And also the Video Chef. So this is a Video Chef is a membership site that free videos that you can use right away to start securing page one video ranking. So they only have videos for you. So here's our key benefits here on the Done For You suite. All right. So again, if you decide to pick it up on through my link, you will have these bonuses as well. And this is the preview of the sales page. So this is by Joshua Samora. So he's a really good product creator. I bought a lot of products from him. One is the My Traffic Tracker, where it was easy for me to buy websites, expired domains on YouTube, right? So this is the preview of the web page. So I highly recommend you pick this up, guys, and pick this up before midnight on August 30, so that the price, you will have the early bird pricing, and then after that they will increase that to $10 until $67. All right, so make sure you pick this up, and then so you get you can also lock in my bonuses here that you can have access to as well. So this is for today, guys. Thank you for checking out my Done For You Suite review. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, or you can directly contact me. You have you can contact me anywhere here. Alright, guys, thank you very much for watching again my video. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.